Hello, good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God above all. Shout out every one of you. Thank you for supporting me, and I would like first to shout out ating bunso sa Pilipinas, Chadana. Ingat lagi dyan, at siyempre ating mga apo. At ako'y bababa na. So, shout out sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. And of course, I would like to thank to those who supporting my simple videos, latest videos, and short videos, and my silent live last night. Thank you, Ding, Simple Living. Ading Jen GM, thank you Ading Jen GM. Papalis na, nakamas na tayo guys. Dex USA, thank you. Edgar Sky Official, thank you Lods. Susukoy Nana, Honey YTC, thank you. Ading Love Trouble Music, Jen J Mading. Musa Monid Explorer, thank you. Chess Chaser, thank you Chess Chaser. Kablesi ng Dubai 6, thank you Kablesi. Welms Channel, Sisikoy, thank you. Lynn Malachi, Simplify, Happiness, thank you. Tandoori Trails, thank you. Asmar, Whispering Waves, and M. Hassan Pasha, thank you. Thank you guys for your support. And of course, thank you sa mga nag-play sa aking playlist. Ading Love Trouble Music, naka-ready na sa atin. Ading Talpa Cake, si Kuya Nana Honey YTC, si Kuya Job Sinaway, si Kuya Laren Director. Shout out everyone. Thank you. And I hope everybody's doing well. And of course, I would like to shout out to DDS supporters, and of course the 30 solid vloggers. And at nakakatawa si shout out Sir Don Mar TV. I like the way you reaction. PH Update, thank you. And Kuya Dudes, thank you. And of course the best reaction vlogger also, Sir Banat Bay. And of course to all the 30 vloggers, shout out. And congratulations sa mga nanalo na senador. Of course nandyan ang ating senador, Sir Senator Bongo, Sir Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Sir Rodante Marcoleta, Ma'am Senator Amy Marcos, and Ma'am Senator Camille Villar, siyempre sa ating kay Tatay Digong, shout out po. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan po dyan, Tatay Digong sa Netherlands. And of course, ang ating pinakamamahal na napaka-simple, our beloved DP, Ma'am Inday Sara Duterte. Hi Ma'am, good afternoon po. So ito ay ano na. Susukan na Honey YTC. Alisin natin yan. Bye-bye! Thank you.